what someone said about his life in Accra today. He said many of us do not have 3,000 or more to rent a room in Accra.
Inside that, Obe free Chroma banner, and you'll be able to make 30 million, 70 million, 80 million. Hey, in the end, about Cantano, Hannah Yeda, a man with Poncono, yes, your boy net, yet your mattress had to your boy mosquito net, near Daniel Philly. When I say no woman, I say, come on, I dream, yeah, worry, I just say, and I'm a panicky baby. Hey,
Nancy, I don't know my panicky baby. I don't know my panicky baby, Nancy. Oh,
and you be a casa, Ben Besame Chessy. Tamani da and you feel no. You see any chance in that Sabium. In 10 Nama Yakumani, I dream, yeah. You say, yes, Kenya and Indians, anyway, and Dina, into panicking, to the frustrated, and they don't know how to do that. Your bonnet and your Dina, dear, just say, I'm my Yakumani, near the inside on you, okay. Just say, I just know that corner, just say, more than so the fee. They say, yeah, I hope you Yakumani, I dream, Dina, dear, and nobody has been 30 million, 40 million, and Dina, dear. What does it?
And he even said because transport is expensive and traffic is also too much, some people sleep near train stations and opening places. And these are human beings. They work every day. They are mothers and fathers. Like, hi.
And I see me who saw that I see her see. Oh, yeah, then we train us.
Oh, may you then. I want to make glory, glory na mechi.
What's today?
Glory.
I'm not sure you're there.
Me that's what be say no see day. Glory, obi can glory. What you assess glory? What you assess glory? What you assess?
It's a glory pneumonia mana.
Glory na yensu dey na glory no. Like say you juma inside or canter inside no. You juma na bra. You juma wa bre no. Baby abeko choke kakra na oje wa hom ye bi o feel ho e glory no glory. Inti yeswaso be ni ye bresa na tie na so no anya jim frama anya you just say ye wo bre ho anya ye bibia style baby anya say Jamaican tia say anya say ye chance ti glory ni feel your style baby odo
na wofa style baby de obi su na eboje so bra be me obi su na eboje so style baby ba we e trainer ebetumi movie at any time na woda say bus speed na fa wo so obenden
odo me da so akasa say no ebe movie any time be na baba ban ya kire aben obebo no o ha kra obeti aben no na me nwane ka o ha na fa kra aben no obeti nti uti aben ne pa baby a obia no o ben training o dase o so ufiri ho ana ye na ye wa na ye tete na ye ton ade na ye tete ano so ye adwuma ye mprema aben na bone de ye so we den obia firi ho na ho da ona training bisi ona o ma efro na driver no ba no obia afro na etuko
na minua na da aben ne be boy e bia wada deep pa na wontumi ansore
de nya wo na wada obia nai what you say I street nti de obi be ba be nyane ho ebo okra de be bo amo asore wada akọ wadu togo kura beba
ye be nyane na wasore na me patro mo started da ha say acha na
ye sha se da de ache pa because ye nya adwuma bi anye aya na ye wori ye lie.
So now they are trying to say that at this point the only problem they have now is that they have no space to sleep. How? But if say you have no space to sleep, wouldn't be a and how do you give birth? Because more than a more how mo fam ho sen e ban sen na motumi e have ya fe e wo wa bra woni se woni baby da nti ni fa na mo fam ho a mo de wo bebere sa
Starboy so
on you got
me mama ga be njira mo ya na so ta nipa nim se bia ye kubolo fo yesu ni mfa so mi do nyame se yesu mfa so because denta me ka se yesu mfa so se kanta man to me bana mi so kanta shia ye kubolo fo ya no mo fle ni ya besi yes like ya bo manfo ba nyame adom bibia so se dia bibia all right dia most mama yenda inside you better want any problem and so me fan she utimi se obesin e bia woda fie na me da bontin tu ye nipa semi utimi ye nipa semi e ya blabo na ye bone pese like one strike here unya blabo unya and ye nisa di we bone ye papa ba ha ne ye wo no e ya no mbu ye se bia ye mo se su nimfa so omutimi ye do mpa bia de kire ba Ghana ye nyina ye di onye ba kofo dia o Ghana ye nyina ye Ghana enti so antansu no ya so pise bi omperifo de sere mo moye mo boye ye be ye eyo esi ebi ejuma ni ho esisi obi akobokro no esisi enye ize sa o e koma ya rough bi do nyame me medi chete ma ye hozela saadi na she theater bola moduane medida enti me na me nse ma bre ba aya na mo mu se omo drase shepherd na mo besen na bia yen e ho efini na mo se abodan fu mu ni bia bo enti wo jiri wo se mi da wo busu man ka be enye wo de me to be flyer na me pra be ma be sia me nko na me pra na me sia sei.
But on a serious note, this is not how life should be. Ghanaians and Kasa, we need affordable homes. We understand say nyama why dey nyama mo nye better sade, but also you kofobi wo no if you kesi no go on team utumi ko fan kofobi we mu bi what I say back me be no number better fi na ye fe what I say because dying boy dey kakra dying boy dey why utumi rent bi ni dey utumi rent but you mo utumi rent bi ono utumi ko bi ni say no ka say 3000 unye bi no onye bi no da kwa rent but make e bi a rent be fine we okay but obu on ma certificate ka kemo bi antene nchane ade you can at least I'm not saying you should abduct but take one person like back be na ne better na at least ever say anyama na swonte eyemboa if you feel like doing it that one day it's cool. If you don't feel like doing it that one day it's your own cup of tea. Okay, my name is Son of Peace. Please subscribe to this channel if today is your first time seeing this face on your screen. I have more updates for you. Drop your thoughts. I'm out.